I wish to acknowledge the privilege it is for us to host the 7th ID Africa General Meeting, a conference with tremendous implications for effective and inclusive governance, efficient provision of public services based on accurate population, citizen data, and the advancement of fundamental rights and social justice. A gathering of eminent experts in the field of identity management, drawn from African governments, international development and humanitarian agencies, as well as global leaders in digital identity solutions. This is an event of monumental significance by all accounts, and I am immensely delighted to be here. And on behalf of the people of Kenya, I extend a warm welcome to all our visitors from Africa and the rest of the world. Please do feel at home and endeavor to find the time to experience our magnificent country and its delightful attractions that will make for a memorable stay, including what Governor Sakaja said. This conference offers a unique forum for productive interactions among African national identity management agencies, as well as potential transformative exchanges between these agencies and global experts from the identity and biometrics industry. I have been impressed by the latest identity management innovations on display, and I believe that they constitute a significant indicator of this exposition's transformative potential. We consider sound identity management to be essential to the integrity of the state because we recognize its immediate implication for the effective management of our democracy, society, and the management of our economy as well. Good governance entails effective administration and efficient management of the economy by a legitimate government authorized through democratic elections. Accurate information about the population resident within our territory is absolutely indispensable. To validly constitute government, we need an accurate idea of how many voters, how many people, how have they voted, so that we can effectively deliver public services and make it possible for citizens to explore opportunities and also deliver public goods. The government also needs accurate